This is my solfege video for my studio lesson thing, my studio lesson video. So this video is, so right now what I'm normally working on is a little bit of things for my recital that is coming up on November 4th. But on the side, I like to do a little bit of like sight reading and also a little bit of listening to a few things and trying to transcribe them by ear. So right now what I'm going to be working on for this one is called No Man No Cry by Jimmy Sachs. So going through it and listening through it, so first thing I do, so there's no written version of this that exists, so what I do is I listen to it a few times and then I start to figure out the different aspects of the music. Like, so for example, so starting here shortly, so I go section by section trying to get different parts down. So the first section. So that was the first section, going through it. So listening to it, I try to listen to and listen for the possible solfege, and I try to go over my instrument and figure out what the scale could be in for this piece. So after figuring out for a little while, so it starts there, starts on a B for me. So I figured out that that is La. So it's actually on my instrument in a B minor scale, a B natural minor scale. So it goes up the scale. La, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la. So on my instrument, that would be. So listening to this and listening to that first part, I can hear a mi, re, mi. Sorry, not mi, re, mi. I can hear a la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, mi, sol, mi. So listening to the recording again. So on my instrument, it would go like this. So that would be, that's normally how I try and figure out the different, I try to associate solfege syllables with fingerings of the scale, whichever scale it may be, whether that be, you know, a B minor scale, or I can even change the key because of the solfege knowledge that I do know. So say for example, instead of going for B minor, let's say I go down to A minor. So that would be. So that's how I normally go through figuring out how to get my how to figure out different transcriptions, and also eventually I will go into identifying the form. I just started learning this tonight and trying to learn just the first section and probably maybe the first minute or two this evening. But this has been my video. As for the people that I'm going to be working with for my Swan song, for my pop song, I will be working with probably Chris Hardy and Stephen Baker and a few other people, and that will be figured out to be determined. So thank you, have a wonderful evening, and I'm signing off.